My name is Lauren, proud senior trainer with Off Leash Canine Training Hawaii. This little lady right here is Sweetie, the Pomeranian-Chihuahua mix. She got placed in our famous 3-week community board and train program because her owners wanted a well-balanced, happy, and obedient dog. Let's rewind to 3 weeks ago, the day that Sweetie was dropped off with me. Let's talk about some of the problems that she was displaying. When Sweetie was dropped off, she did know a little bit about the sit command, but it was inconsistent and she lacked stability, meaning that she wouldn't hold the command for any period of time. Sweetie couldn't hold that sit command because she lacked stability. The place command is my favorite command to teach because it teaches the dog stability. And as you can see here in this clip, Sweetie definitely did not know the place command. Sweetie's recall command needed a lot of work. I could call her over and over and over again, Sweetie come, Sweetie come, Sweetie come. She just wouldn't listen to me. She was pretty stubborn. Sweetie had never been taught the down command. You could tell her down, 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 down. And it's not that she wouldn't listen to you. She just did not know what the down command meant. While Sweetie definitely isn't the biggest dog in the world, she took control of the walks, meaning that she walked where she wanted to go and she went at the speed she wanted to go. She'd cut her owner off, she'd swing from left to right. We definitely need to put in some work and put in some time with Sweetie's heel command. We definitely put time and effort into all of Sweetie's commands, and here are our results. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Lots of aloha from Team Off Leash Canine Training, Hawaii.
last 3 weeks. And I gotta say that all the videos that we've been receiving every single day, pictures of Sweetie, just gave us comfort to know that she's learning a lot. And after today's session, I gotta say that Sweetie has learned a lot. She's learned many different commands, and we continue to do that at home. So thank you very much for all of your help, Lauren, and thank you Canine Off Leash for having this program to help families at home deal with their dogs. Want to say something to our
Thank you very much for everything you did. I'm really happy and I love her.
Thank you.